Hi everyone! Are you a foreigner working or planning to work in Turkey? Or maybe you're an employer hiring women employees? Then understanding maternity, breastfeeding, and parental leave rights in Turkey is essential, not only for legal compliance, but also to ensure employee well-being. And in this video, we will go over everything you need to know about these rights under Turkish labor law. Firstly, how long is maternity leave in Turkey? Under Turkish labor law, female employees are entitled to 16 weeks of paid maternity leave, 8 weeks before birth and 8 weeks after. In case of a multiple pregnancy, 2 extra weeks are added before delivery. Can the unused leave in case of early birth be recovered? Yes. If the employee gives birth earlier than expected, the unused prenatal leave is added to the postnatal period. Can a woman work until the last 3 weeks of pregnancy? Yes, if her health condition allows and the doctor approves, she can work up to 3 weeks before delivery. And these work days are added to the postnatal leave period. What happens if the mother passes away after childbirth? In this unfortunate case, the remaining postnatal leave is transferred to the father. Is there maternity leave in case of adoption? Yes, if a child under the age of 3 is adopted, the adoptive parent or one of the spouses is entitled to 8 weeks of maternity leave starting from the date the child is placed in the family. Can women work part-time after childbirth in Turkey? Yes, mothers can request part-time unpaid leave after birth as long as the child is alive. 60 days for the first child and 120 days for the second and 180 days for subsequent children. In the case of multiple births, 30 additional days are granted. For children born with disabilities, and this period extends up to 360 days. During these part-time periods, breastfeeding leave does not apply. Are pregnant employees entitled to leave for medical checkups? Absolutely, pregnant employees have the right to paid leave for regular medical examinations, of course. Can a pregnant employer request lighter duties? Yes, if deemed necessary by a doctor, pregnant employees can be transferred to lighter duties suited to their health with no change in salary. Is unpaid leave possible after maternity leave? Yes, after completing maternity leave, an employee may request up to 6 months of unpaid leave. And this also applies to adoptive parents of children under 3 years old. This unpaid leave is not counted towards annual paid leave entitlement. What are the breastfeeding leave rights? Until the baby reaches the age of 1, working mothers are entitled to 1.5 hours of daily breastfeeding leave. The timing and how this break is divided are decided by the employee. And this time is considered part of the workday and is fully paid. Who is covered by these rights? All employees working under an employment contract in Turkey, regardless of whether they are covered by the labor law or not, benefit from these rights. If you have questions or need personalized assistance, feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching.